Hello, sir. Good evening. How are you?
So, very good evening, ma'am. So, I am fine. Thank you for accepting my mail, first of all. So, because lot of some communication gap, so
Hmm.
both are. So that's why delay. So actually, she's starting 7:30 p.m. 7 p.m. So
Uh,
it's
no, no, no,
27.
don't worry. It's okay.
Okay, okay,
Yeah. So
okay.
before we
So
dive into the conversation, let's start with the introduction.
yes, yes, yes. Sir.
Okay.
So I'm at my name is Basaras. I am from Telangana.
Okay.
So talk about my education. I am BTech mechanical engineer. I am working professional as a manufacturing industry. I am living in Hyderabad city. And talk about my hobbies. I interested play cricket and badminton. And nowadays I am listening music and some English content videos,
Hmm.
broadcast. So yeah, etc. So it's my hobbies. So
Okay.
it's my introductions also. Can you introduce yourself, ma'am?
Yes, for sure. So as you know that my name is Sakshi Chauhan and I born and brought up in Gwalior, MP, which is also called City of Music. And apart from
Mm,
that, I have completed my master's. So right now I'm a PhD scholar. And yeah,
yes,
moreover,
yes,
I
ma'am.
have my YouTube channel, so where I upload such kind of conversational videos. And apart from that, of
Okay.
course, I'm taking session, like some paid session for learners who just has begun their journey, intermediate and beginner level. Yeah. Or in my
Yes.
leisure time, I love to attend some events, anchoring, host, writing. These are
Oh,
areas
man.
that fascinates me. Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. So So how is the weather in your Gwalior nowadays?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is today it is fine, but from last 2 days we are facing that heavy raining. It's consistently
Oh,
raining and people are really struggling with that. So
okay,
that's
okay,
why.
okay.
And what about
So
there?
here also before 2 days the heavy rain. So
Hmm.
we are facing a lot of problems and school colleges are holidays announcing holidays
Mm-hmm.
also. So last 3 4 days. So here some some is relief. So it's comfortable weather. So
Mm-hmm.
last 4 days. Mm.
Okay, okay. And what is your
Mm.
working time? I mean, when do you come from your job and what do you do after this? How do you manage your day? It might be very hectic, right? After coming from the job, that gets so difficult to do other tasks.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, my working time is morning 8:30 to evening 5 p.m. So
Okay.
after that, I am leaving at office in evening 5 and I am reaching house at 6 p.m. evening. After that, I will fresh up and take 1 hour. So I am taking dinner also. So in 6:37 p.m. in between completed my dinner. So and after that, I will some watching videos or some English contents, and sometime I play with my kids.
Hmm.
That's all about.
Okay, okay. And how did you start
Mm.
this learning English? I mean, what was the need of starting this language? I know one thing is that, of course, we
Yes,
want to improve our personality, and this is the only reason or
yeah, yeah.
other reason also.
No, no. First reason is the because my self development
Hmm.
is speak fluently.
Right.
So English is the global language nowadays. So
Okay.
everywhere they speaking English.
Hmm.
So first of all, first reason, and another one is so my daughter and my sons they have speaking in English in every time in
Okay.
school.
Hmm.
Sometimes he is talking in house also English. So
Hmm.
sometimes I cannot understand some sometimes some I am not able to speak them.
Okay.
So sometimes I am feeling nervous.
Hmm.
So that's why. So why are you? We are not learning that language.
Okay.
We are also able to learn that language. So that's why I am learning and fluent this language.
Okay. That's why you want to learn this
Mm.
language. And how old are they,
Yes, yes.
your kids?
So My daughter is the 11-year-old and my son is 8-year-old. So
Definitely.
she is in eighth class and he is in third class.
Okay. So this time definitely you
Mm.
need to talk to them in English, and only then they will understand, because nowadays it has happened that in schools, really, in some schools, as far as I know, that they don't allow Hindi. They say always speak in English, right?
Yes. So in our son's school, they all teachers speaking in English only.
Hmm.
So sometimes they speak teachers they speak English, but we cannot able to speak in English sometime. And we started in our mother tongue. So that time some hesitation, some nervous we are feeling like that. So that's why we are learning this language. So mean.
Okay, now I understood. And as I can see that you are confident enough, so I feel that you don't have any confidence issue, only you have this little bit English issue, is it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I mean, you are habitual to connecting with
Mhm.
people or talking to people.
Yes, yes, yes. So first of all, I think this is my sixth conversation video,
Okay.
sixth YouTuber.
Mm-hmm.
So we talk about in 15 days. I completed in 4 5 sessions, and you are the sixth session
Okay.
with you.
Hmm.
Okay,
Great.
and I daily practice speaking with audio call in co-learners
Okay.
and chatting. So in platform of the in peer app and AC fluency.
Influence.
So we both are I use that.
Hmm.
So and I am my journey is talk about my journey. My I am starting English learning before 3 months only. I started just. So
But
this is fourth month running.
okay. And you are progressing every time. Do you feel this?
Yes, yes,
Hmm.
yes, yes, yes. Because before I when I start my journey, I am speak with anyone. You may make a sentence or any within 1 minute, 2 minutes. I completed my talk.
Hmm.
So this time I speak in half an hour, 1 hour in audio call. So I am
Okay.
able to speak and understand.
Hmm.
So some grammar mistakes, some sentence mistake is happen,
Right.
but we uh, developed.
Over the time. True.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. That's very
Mm.
common. Making mistakes in pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence formation, these are the very common thing. But as far as I
Yes,
can
yes.
observe you, you are much comfortable and your English is
Yeah.
fine. Of course, you are improving in
Yes.
last 3 months as you have improved a lot. So for next 2 3 months, definitely you will be master in this language. I feel that.
Yeah, yeah. I am some certain period I gather it. So I take 1 year. So in remaining 8 months, I completed 1 year. This language I will perfect, and remaining 8 months we complete this language. I become a fluence. So that is my target.
That's your target. That's great.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mm. This is the right
Okay.
way to approach anything. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhm.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
you are a student?
You can say I'm student as well, teacher. I mean, of
Oh,
course,
okay, okay.
I'm
And
doing PhD, so I am a
PhD,
student.
yes.
Yes, yes. And apart from that, I'm also having my sessions. So, yeah.
Okay, okay. So
Earlier, I
you
used to
you
teach in a
taking on.
school. Yeah. And then I started my own coaching classes.
Okay,
But right now, I'm just working online.
okay, okay, okay. So very nice, very nice. So you are in Gwalior,
Yes, I'm from
in
Gwalior,
Madhya Pradesh.
MP.
So why are called in Gwalior city music city? So what is the main reason? So you can explain
Yes.
me?
Of course, there is Tansen also. Have you heard the name of Tansen? So he's the person, he was a great singer. Like if you had the story of that, when he sings, so that lamp start. burning automatically. Have you
Mhm.
heard this story? So just
Okay,
because of his
okay.
singing, so that's why. Okay, is my audio video clear? Because
So
I can see
I
there's
think
internet issue.
yes, some your audio is some disturbance, some striking like that.
Okay,
Not clear your audio. Video is clear.
okay, in audio. Okay, maybe. No problem. We can
Ah,
continue.
audio problem.
Audience problem? I mean, proper?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. Yeah,
Okay,
so,
okay. You are in
yeah, we can
proper.
continue. No, don't worry. Just give me one.
Okay, okay. No problem. You are not visible. So your video is off, I
Hmm.
think.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, I was just checking that connection. What's the
Okay.
issue? It was popping up on my screen.
Yes,
So, okay,
yes,
coming
yes,
back
yes,
to your
yes.
question, what you were asking, that why does it call the
Oh,
city of music?
okay, okay.
Because I
So,
was talking about that particular person, Tansen. So
uh,
he's a prominent singer, and when he sings that, automatically that light
okay.
starts and these kind of things, we have heard.
Mm,
So he's
mhm,
like
okay,
melodious
okay.
singer. So because of this, and that Gwalior is also called city of music. And there is also
So,
one place that is called Tomb of Tansen. In Hindi, we say that.
mm,
Hmm.
mm,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. So, so your mother tongue is Hindi?
Yes, yes, of course.
They all people. Yes, okay, okay. Of course, Hindi. Okay, okay. So Gwalior in famous of cloth is they available of good quality of cloths
No,
in Gwalior.
no, no. It's not famous
No,
for
some
clothes
people
and.
saying no,
Hmm.
no, no, no. Gwalior will say something. So they have a lot of textile industries like that.
Yeah, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, there are so
No,
many textile
uh,
industries and so many things. Yeah.
yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So when you start your English journey, so look, please tell me
Okay, okay.
how
This is
long?
right. How long I can say 2 years? So this is
Okay,
something that is
2 years.
so
Mm,
monotonous, but still I need to tell you that yeah, before 2 years I started this journey, and just with
mm,
YouTube, with the help of YouTube, online applications and all. And yes, now I am
okay,
comfortable with this
okay,
language. Of course, I need to improve myself. I need to polish myself. But if I compare myself, what I was
okay.
initially, like 2 years back, I changed drastically because
Mm,
I come from Hindi
yeah, yeah.
medium
I
background.
watch. Yes. Yeah, I watch some your videos.
Hmm.
So your older video and newer video, I both compare. But you
Okay.
are developed in new videos. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. I recently you take conversation in English yaari platform. Also, I watched that.
Okay.
Okay, that is very nice conversation.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and recently your short videos also I am watching.
Oh, great.
So so I am watching your videos in continuously in last 1 week. Okay,
Okay.
so that's why I am approach you. So make a one conversation with you. That's why I am thinking, and you quickly reply, and that's why I am very happy that
Mm-hmm.
yes. So learner beginners they approach any YouTubers. They some people's they not giving the free times. Some people's they giving immediately.
Hmm.
So they people some people's they not giving immediately. So some nervous, some hesitation. So
Hmm.
so you are a quickly reply because you approached me yesterday you 11 p.m. but I am in outside that time, so that's why I am not able.
Mhm.
And yeah,
Of course, I
yes,
understand.
yes.
And after sending mail, I was also thinking that at 11 p.m. it is not possible for others. I mean, when we want to work, of course we can do. But still, I just sent you because
No,
I
no, no.
hit 11. Yeah, but I just sent
Yeah.
mail. Hmm.
Yeah, I am also available in evening time only because
Hmm.
after 6 p.m., 11, 12, I am available, no problem.
Hmm.
So that time I am in outside. That's why I am not possible. So
Hmm.
after that, I will when I in home, just no time limit in evening time. So
Like,
that's not the criteria. So because of office timing is not possible.
Hmm.
Sunday will possible to morning to evening, no problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And
So
mainly I'm available in morning time. So that's why I
okay,
face difficulty to connect with people because mainly people are working, right? And my
yes,
free time is morning, right? But mainly
okay,
people are free after 6 or after 7. But whenever I go to
7,
my
yes,
university, that gets so difficult for me to connect in night time. Like I come
okay,
back from there and in evening after 8 o'clock to 11 or 11:30 I start my
yes,
session, my daily session, like that paid session. So that's not possible
yes,
in night 8 to 11, right? Or when I go to
okay,
college, so I cannot be available at 6 or 7. So for me, that
okay.
gets so difficult. That's why whenever I see any mail and I just quickly reply because that get
Yes,
2 3 days to connect with people or sometime more than that
yeah,
because of the timing.
yes, yes, yeah, because of both timing are matching. So that's the main important. So
Exactly.
sometime you are available, sometime co-learner is not available.
Yes,
So that is the difficult.
that's the difficult.
So can you explain me? So how many years take time in PhD complete? So they particular years like that 2 year, 3 years.
Yeah, it will take 1 year has already gone, and probably it will take two
Okay,
years. Not
2 years.
fixed, not fixed because I didn't start my work yet on thesis, and thesis writing will
Uh,
take at least 1.5 year, right?
okay, okay. So
After that, because
okay,
I'm
okay.
from science background, so I need to do some
Mm,
practicals, collection, data collection, and all that will take 3 4
yes.
months for me. And right
Okay,
now I'm just doing my theory work, and then after 1 month
okay,
I'll start my lab work. So that
okay, okay.
moment or those period of time I need to spend too much time. So for 3 to 4
Yes,
months
yes.
will take to finish my lab work, and after finishing my lab
Okay,
work I will start my thesis writing. So that's how.
okay, 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 okay.
Fluctuation are
So
there, not
yes,
very fixed, but this is the main idea
okay.
about it.
Yes, yes, yes. I don't know about that in PhD
Yeah.
because we we are technical students.
Hmm.
I am a technical student.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So so you have daily you how many classes you take daily? So how many sessions like classes?
Okay. If I talk about my classes, that is around sometimes someone is not available, someone is not like I'm talking about my regular sessions. So at least six
Mhm.
to seven session I take on daily basis.
Oh, 6 to 7 sessions.
Yeah.
Oh, very
Not
nice. That's great.
conversation.
You have a lot of
Hmm.
classes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's
Okay,
why I
okay.
just
So
decided that time in evening time. And
mhm.
conversation is, of course, I try to connect with people on daily basis, but lack of
Okay,
timing
okay.
and that because of communication gap, it happens. Sometimes that somebody
Okay.
send me mail and I am not checking that time. I'm checking after some time. I'm doing something else, so that happens. But still, I try to
So
connect.
you have no okay, you have no WhatsApp groups like any WhatsApp group creating. So so that's is main helpful for learners.
Hmm. I have Telegram group. Recently,
Okay, I
I
know.
created. Hmm.
Yes, yes, I know Telegram group, but some YouTubers create a WhatsApp group also. So they sending some tips, they short videos.
Hmm.
So like that, I have in Karishma Chauhan, like it Chaudhary,
Chauhan.
Advocate Karishma. They have in WhatsApp group,
Hmm.
and Manasi they have WhatsApp group.
Okay.
So some YouTubers they have a WhatsApp group, and they do daily some messages, some videos. So there's a lot of help for learners.
Hmm. Hmm, hmm.
So that is a free advice, not a
Right.
paid advice.
In
Free
future,
advice.
of course, of course.